Welcome to my study room. Today I will discuss about benefit of chia seeds. 1. Improved digestion. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help improve digestion and bowel movements when consumed in the morning. 2. Weight loss. Chia seeds can help with weight loss by making you feel fuller for longer, reducing your appetite, and aiding in digestion. 3. Cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are rich in a type of omega-3 fatty acid known as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. The body cannot produce ALA its own, so it must be obtained through food. Consuming ALA has been linked to a decreased heart disease risk. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds are high in fiber. Studies show that fiber may help to reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels, reducing your risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. 5. Hydration. Hydration. Chia seeds can help with hydration by absorbing water and expanding your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and stay with me. If you want to know any other topic, please comment.